Hey guys, I'm here today. It's me, Corner, and today I'm about to unbox this Lego because I am. Because I got this one. I got this one today from Christmas because I do. So I'm about to open it. So here we go. Anyways, I got this one today for Christmas, and my mom didn't buy it. Santa bought it because my mom got this one onto her boss's house because she do. Right now she's not fired, but is it okay? And right now I'm about to open it. So here we go. Okay, like I said, okay, but is it okay? It's kind of hard to open it. Okay, hold on. Okay. 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 So right now, today is Christmas because it is Christmas. It's Christmas right now. Okay. Lego. Yay. Okay. Empty. Okay. Okay. And right now, these are all these ones like I have. Okay. You know what, guys? This one will be too hard to make all these ones. I don't know. Let me just check it out. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys. So, guys. Okay. How to make Legos because I don't know. Okay. Okay, and this one, too. Okay. Okay, these ones too. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, you know, I'll do this one first. Okay. 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 It's kind of hard to just one. I think I'll just one later upon. It's kind of hard doing now. It's kind of hard.
What's left to do?
What all these Legos, Mom? It's kind of hard to do all these ones. I'll put it here.
Yeah, don't lose the pieces though.
What if I do?
Then you're not gonna be able to build whatever is there to build.
Hey, Mom, can you build it for me because it's kind of hard to do it. Anyways, guys, that's my burger. Because that's my burger.